Okay, question 3, practice exam 2, math 154, fall 2013. Okay, Hotel Infinity. Okay, write the squares of the natural numbers, starting with 1 squared, and etc. Alright, so why am I doing this? I'm doing this because it's a big, long build-up to a hint. And you don't even have to use the hint, but it makes your life easier. So write the squares of the natural numbers. I mean, it's not that big of a deal if you write the squares of the whole numbers, for example, but here we go. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. I said go up past 10. So we just kind of keep going until we run out of space, and then we say, ah, you should notice something funny about the last digits of these numbers. What do you notice? Well, if the number ends in 0, you get a 0. If the number ends in 1, you get a 1. If the number ends in 2, you get a 4. Like any number ending in 0, 1, 2. Ending in 3, you get 9. Ending in 4, you get a 6. Ending in 5, you get a 5, right? But what happens if the number ends in a 6? Well, you still get a 6, right? And ending in 7, you know, ending in an 8, ending in a 9. Okay, this is getting kind of messy. I'm going to space this out a little better. All right. Sorry about the mess. A little bit of chaos in my house right now. Okay. All right. But the point is, only 5 digits end up at the end of these numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4. No 2, 3. No 5, 6. Nope, there's 6. No 7s, no 8s. And no. There's one more digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's it. There's no 2s, 3s, 7s, or 8s. Okay? So the old Hilbert apartments in Alexandria, Virginia are closing, and they have to move everyone to the new ones up in Chevy Chase. So in order to keep some of the rooms easily available for newcomers, the new Hilbert apartments management has made the stipulation that no rooms with perfect square numbers are to be used. Anything else is fine. So for example, as long as the new rooms end in the numbers 2, 3, 7, or 8, then we are totally safe. So what we can do is we can say old room number, okay, times 10, just to make life easy, all right? And then plus 3 gives us the new room number. Now, we could say I could have said or 2, 7, 8, whatever. But I cannot add a 4 or a 9 or 6 or 1 or 5, because then I might accidentally collide with a perfect square. Okay, that's it. So give at least 5 examples of how you would move people from one to the other. Well, I'm sorry, there's not that much room here, but let's say old to the new. Okay, so the old number is 2, the new number is, say, 23. Old number is 4, new number would be 43. Old number is 3, new number is 33. This is pretty easy, isn't it? Okay, 92, 923. 714, 7143. Pretty easy. Now, I mean, is that the only way to do it? No, there's lots of ways to do it. I just did the lazy thing. How else might you avoid running into a perfect square? Well, you could take a perfect square and then add 1. Okay, so maybe I didn't think about this. You know, maybe this wasn't my first idea. Let's see. Let me get rid of all this stuff. Maybe the hint made absolutely no sense to me. Maybe I was like this, and I was like, no clue. I could still get full credit for this problem by doing the following and saying, well, I can't go to a perfect square. But perfect squares don't tend to be next to each other, right? So why don't I do this? Old number square plus 1 is equal to new number. Okay? So in that case, I could say old to new. The old number is 4. The new number is 17. 17 is not a perfect square. The old number is 6. The new one is 37. Okay, the old number is, I don't know, 10. The new one is 101, etc. I don't know why she wanted 5 of them. They're really obvious. Okay, the old one could be 11. And 122 could be the new one. Okay, and the old one could be, I don't know, 12, 143. Okay? There you go. And in this case, I would say, how would you backtrack? Well, subtract 1, then take square root. You silly person. See, there's lots of different possible full credit answers. This is part of a hint. Okay, so if you didn't answer that, but you did the rest of the thing fine, you wouldn't lose any credit for that no clue bit, because I would say, well, that doesn't matter. The person recovered. The clue was supposed to help them. Okay, that's it.